free, self-hosted, and actually better than the paid giants. These are the best open-source LLMs you can run in 2026. Closed models mean renting. Open source means you own the weights, fine-tune the data, and pay zero recurring bills forever. For pure performance, Kimi K25 is the undisputed king. It uses a sparse architecture to deliver massive power with incredible speed. Coding agents require precision. GLM 5.2 is currently topping every real-world GitHub resolution benchmark we've seen this year. Why choose open? It's not just about cost, it's about customizability. You can inject your own private company data without fearing leaks. Math and deep reasoning. Qwen 3.5 and DeepSeek v3 proved that you don't need billion-dollar training budgets to hit frontier levels. To run these, you need hardware. A 24 GB VRAM GPU is the sweet spot for running 70B parameter models at high speeds. Running locally is easier than ever. Gemma 327B and 5.4 are optimized to run on consumer hardware with simple quantization. Fine-tuning is the secret sauce. Using Unsloth or Axolotl, you can train a base model on your specific niche in under an hour. The community is growing. Hugging Face is the hub where all these models live. If you aren't checking the trending tab, you're missing out. Warning: open weight isn't always open source. Always verify commercial licensing before you push these models to production. Need to deploy. Use vLLM or Ollama for high throughput serving on your own infrastructure. Quantization allows massive models to fit on small GPUs. 4-bit is the new standard for efficiency. RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, is the best way to keep your model updated with your own documents. Vector databases like Qwen or Milvus make searching through your data lightning fast. Don't forget about evaluation. Use LLM as a judge to test your model's performance automatically. Security first. Always sanitize inputs to prevent prompt injection attacks in your production apps. Monitoring is key. Track latency and token usage to optimize your costs. Latency matters. Streaming responses is a must for a good user experience. WebAssembly, WASM, is making it possible to run smaller models directly in the browser. Multimodal models are the next frontier. Vision, audio, and text in one package. Agents are becoming autonomous. They can now browse the web and use tools. Chain of thought prompting is essential for complex reasoning tasks. Context windows are expanding. Millions of tokens are now possible. Synthetic data generation is helping train models faster than ever. Collaborative training is becoming easier with distributed computing platforms. Edge AI is bringing intelligence to devices with limited power. Privacy-preserving ML is a growing field for sensitive data. Open source isn't just code. It's a community-driven movement. Standardization is coming to AI hardware interfaces. Model merging is a powerful technique to combine strengths of different models. LoRa adapters make fine-tuning accessible to everyone. The future is open, and it's happening right now. Stay curious. Keep building, keep pushing the boundaries. The tools are here. The models are here. What will you create? Join the revolution. Open source is winning. Check the links in the description for all the models mentioned. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI content. Warning: open weight isn't always open source. Always verify commercial licensing before you push these models to production. The ecosystem is evolving daily. Subscribe now to stay updated on the latest model releases and benchmark shifts.